Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I wanted to try out that eyeshadow method again, and this time I wanted to use some fall colors, creating kind of a Halloween type vibe. First I'm going to prep my nails using a dehydrator on all of my nails, and then I'm going to apply my tips. We're going to be using Builder Gel again for this set, so first we're going to apply base coat, cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then we're going to go in and add our first layer of Builder Gel, creating a thin layer just to kind of give us some structure before applying eyeshadow. Once you cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds, you're going to leave the sticky layer on top because that's what's going to hold that eyeshadow. I'm going to use a couple of colors, going to use a red and orange and then a black. I really like this method only because I think it blends effortlessly, which makes sense because that's what eyeshadow is supposed to do, is blend. So it kind of gives you that seamless blend up down the nail and like a really nice ombre and not a lot of effort behind it. Once I've applied those colors, I'm now going to secure that in place with some top coat and flash cure that. Then we're going to add some base coat again, and then we're going to add our next layer of Builder Gel. I lost a lot of footage in this video for whatever reason, it just wasn't recording. But I added a couple of those fall leaves, and now we're going to take some of that black and create that ombre. Cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. I guess that's probably one of the things that I don't like about this method is that your hand spends a lot of time in the lamp. I'm sure there's an easier way, but I just really wanted to make sure everything would stay in place. Maybe I could use less steps next time. We'll see. I'll have to keep playing with that. Once I'm happy with that and have cured it in the lamp for a full 60 seconds, I'm going to take some rubbing alcohol and just clean up around the cuticle area, picking up any of that eyeshadow that got on the skin. And I'm going to repeat these steps on the rest of the nails. So I'm just going to let you watch that. I'll be back. this is how we are looking so far. Everything looks better once it's been file shaped and buffed, so don't lose faith. I'm going to create the same look on my index finger and my middle finger, and then I'll be back. I lost most of the footage after this point. For whatever reason, it just never recorded, but this is the finished look. I think that they turned out okay. It's not my favorite set in the whole world, but this method is most definitely trial and error. I appreciate you being here. Thank you so much for joining me, and I really hope to see you in my next video. Bye!